In this video, 3 items are used to construct these kitchen canisters: basswood, tin, and wood beads. When cutting tin, be mindful of sharp edges and jagged pieces because fingers and hands can easily be cut. 4 pieces of tin are cut to line the canisters. Each tin piece was trimmed away from the edge so the tops will fit. Wood pieces are put in the center of the tops to keep them on the canisters. Two coats of gesso and the acrylic paint colors were applied to the canisters. Also, the beads were filled with wood glue, then painted sterling silver. The clay coffee beans I made fit nicely in the coffee canister. And the Lipton tea box containing real tea bags also fits perfectly in the tea canister. And until next time, thank you so very much for watching.